What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today from the driveway. I wanted to do a little quick walk around and test drive of a truck I haven't showed you guys yet. Oh, excuse me. This is my folks' 2021 Ford F150 Lariat FX4. They bought this new in 2021, and this is actually the first chance I've ever gotten to get a video of it because it stays up at the lake house in Blue Ridge, Georgia. But it's made its way down here to the main house, and I'm actually finally getting to get a little walk around and a test drive video of it. This truck replaced let's see, if you're familiar with any of my older videos and my folks' cars, they had a let's see, what was that thing? 13 Expedition EL long wheelbase. It was white. They traded off and got this. And they've had it now for 3 years, and I'm just now getting around to getting a video. Unfortunately, it's a beautiful truck, but unfortunately, it has already gotten a couple of little whiskey dents. It's down through here, there, and then it's got a big old dent in the fender. And this tail light is cracked and broken in many places, and the corner of the bumper, just the corner, see that corner down there, and this corner's bumped in. Apparently someone in a parking lot hit the bumper, went down the side, just all the way down the lower side there, and they have never gotten it repaired. I don't know why. It's been like that for, I know, at least 2 years. But let's just look at this thing. It's got the tonneau cover. It's got the power tailgate, which is nice. I've got the window sticker in here. It's a pretty well-equipped truck. About 67,000, I think the Monroney says. About 16,000 in options. Got the nice plug-in. But we'll look at that window sticker. And then, oh, I like that. It's got a built-in tape measure across through here. That's pretty cool. Never noticed that before. Okay, there we go. Just kind of get it started, and it'll do the rest. She's not super clean, but she's not bad either. Got the nice black leather with the brown piping. Big screen. Yeah, got the cover for the dog. Big panoramic sunroof. It's got a lot of cool features. Let's see, window sticker. I think it's right here in this little book here. Let's see what we got. Okay. Where's our base price? Base price. $50,980. 16,400 in options. Looks like a couple of discounts. And of course, I don't think they paid anywhere near that price. I think they got some more discounts. Here's our options. Basically, you got the Lariat package with built-in navigation, $6,900 $. You've got the Ford Copilot 360 Assist. It's got the 3.5 eco-boost, $1,400 option. It's got a 355 rear end. No charge, no charge. Oh, the twin panel sunroof, basically pano roof. Interior work surface, $165. That must be this console. I believe it is. think that's what that is. Max trailer tow package, $13.50. It has the integrated trailer brake control. The FX4 package is $1,000. Oh, it has the Bang. Is that Bang & Olufsen sound system? $695. Is that what B&O is? I'm just making assumptions here. Lockable storage, $215. Power gill tailgate, $695. Oh, these 20-inch alloys were $1,400. And then it has a really good 360-degree camera package, $765. Lariat Sport Appearance Package, $300. So, you know, it's a pretty well-equipped truck. I mean, it's not a platinum or a titanium or whatever, but it's got all the options you would want, and then some, for sure. Let's take her for a little ride. It's got this nice two-tone black and kind of coffee-colored interior, which is nice. Oh yeah, and we have a broken driver's window. I think they've had definitely had some unlucky experiences with this truck so far. Oh, geez. Okay, let's push button start. Here's the key. Typical Ford key fob. Looks almost like my 15 Lincoln key. Transmission, lots of, you know, storage and doodads and, God, plug-ins, and got the four-wheel drive system, brake control for a trailer. This Pro trailer, I think I've seen this advertised in the commercials, but I don't really fully understand how that works or what that's about. If you know, someone tell me, because I'm not real sure. Let's start her up. Man, what a big instrument panel. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is weird. Look at the tack. That is pretty cool. How many miles we got? 19,419. Not bad for 2021. Nice big screen here. I was running my Apple CarPlay earlier. Yep, automatically connects. 5G. Good to go. Let's get our seatbelt on. Man, get you some buttons on the steering wheel, why don't you? We do have adaptive cruise control. This is the 10-speed automatic, which to me, I've kind of got mixed feelings on that. Power steering column. Nice rear backup camera for backing up for your trailer. A nice bird's eye view like that. Yeah, look at that. 10 speeds. You see that down there? Man, that is just too many gears. Why do you need that many gears? I can agree on a 6-speed, but anything more than that, I mean, it's already in 4th freaking gear. It shifted 3-4 times pulling out of the driveway. But what I feel as I'm driving it is it seems to make the car feel a little bit like the truck, and this is a Hoss, man, makes the truck feel kind of jumpy, you know, because it's shifting so much. Yeah, I'm in 6th gear. Hadn't even left the neighborhood, 31 miles an hour. Yeah, all that shifting going on, that's just busybody action right there. I don't know about that. Tell me what y'all think. Put it in the comments. Is it a reliable transmission? I think Ford's been using it for a couple of years now. We're going to get it up here and get it up to freeway speeds. We're going to give it a little acceleration. See what this 3.5 EcoBoost is up to these days. I'm not real sure. Yeah, I mean, this thing's just shift. Oh, excuse me for the cough. I've just got an itchy throat and almost kind of like I've got a little sinus thing coming on. So apologize for the coughing on camera. You know, this truck drives great. I will say the 20-inch rims, to me, in my opinion, are a little big, and you can feel every little bump in the road, but at least it's so quiet. The truck is whisper quiet. It's pretty smooth overall, but yeah, these 20-inch rims, you can feel the bumps, every little bump, for sure. All right, we're gonna come to a complete stop. Don't go for it. Holy cow. Seriously? Man, this thing don't mess around, buddy. Whoa. Holy crap. Okay. 3.5 EcoBoost. I hope they're a lot more reliable than they used to be. I haven't followed up on them too much in recent years. I mean, I know the motor's been around for several years. I think the first year was, what, about 2011, I believe? Because I actually have a buddy that still has an FX4 2011 that is in mint condition, way better condition than this truck is at 3 years old. And he's got over 200,000 miles on his, and he has actually had very few problems considering it's a first gen, I think first year of the 3.5 EcoBoost. But he has really taken good care of that truck, babied it, changed the oil at, 3,000 miles, just, not hot rodded around, done zero towing. So, who knows? It may burn a quart of oil every 500 miles. Who knows? But it's a pretty truck. And this is a pretty truck. I like these colors. And again, this thing drives great, other than I don't like all the lurching of the transmission. You can feel every one of those shifts to some degree. We got heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, got all those nice little luxury items, dual zone climate control. These leather seats are so comfortable, and they're, 400 way power seats. I mean, they got switches galore down here for all the adjustments you can do. Holy crap. She's quick. She is definitely quick. Holy smokes. We got sun issues now. Let's see, check out the pano roof. Nice big glass. Oh, that's only part of the way. Come on back, baby. Nice big, goes all the way over the back seats. Very nice. Ooh, we got bad sun problems. I'm gonna put this right here down low because we've got the sun coming directly in our eyes. Oh, that must be lane keep assist there in the middle of the tachometer on the left. I can kind of feel it guiding me around a little bit. Personally, to me, I don't really like these little safety oh yeah, it's turning the wheel for me. Oh yeah, it's driving the truck for me. Oh yeah. Since I set the cruise, look, yeah, it's driving. I'll be damned. I didn't realize it had that feature. It's keeping our, oh. Alright. Resume control, I got it. Okay, now I'm gonna let go again. Ooh, didn't take over that. So yeah, it looks like it will take control for just a minute. If you need to take your hands off the wheel, which I think is a terrible idea. But I thought it did a pretty good job of holding it in the center of the lane. I've seen some systems kind of, weave back and forth inside the lane, like you were, DUI or something. I haven't even heard the radio. Volume, we got hard knobs, which is nice.
Atlanta's engagement ring and wedding band destination since 1939. Why? Hand-picked diamonds that just shine brighter.
Man, those speakers sound good. Very clear. Those Bang & Olufsen speakers. I have no idea what happened here. I don't know. I just don't know. Oh yeah, we got a little tweeter right there. Yeah, this is a neat rig. I can't believe they've had this truck 3 years and this is the first time I've ever driven it. But yep, there she is. The 2021 Ford F150 EcoBoost Lariat FX4 package. Lots of good options on this. It feels like a freaking platinum or titanium or whatever. Well, I mean, what more options do you get with those higher trim level trucks? 3.5 EcoBoost feels great. And again, like I said, the 10-speed transmission's a little wacky ass for me, but I guess you'd get used to it like anything. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Drop a comment below, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe is free. I'm going to get back on the YouTube train. I've been kind of lazy this year with it, so I'm going to get back at it now that the weather's cooling off some. Get back out to the auction and checking out some cars. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you the next time. Peace.